Today we got a video from Strange Body Cam, and the title of the video is Kohl's shoplifters caught red-handed stealing over $5,000 in merchandise.
On June 24, 2023, officers responded to a Kohl's for a call of 3 individuals actively stealing over $5,000 worth of merchandise in a retail theft attempt.
Over.
She thought she was gone. Straight boomed her. We started off early, man. Straight boomed her. Where she thought she was going, man. Look at this. Look at my guy forearm, man. He ready to hit something, man. What? Perfect form tackle.
$1,000 worth of merchandise in a retail theft attempt.
Over.
Oh, yeah? Bow. Oh, yeah. Get you together, boy. What you talking about? In the rain, too.
Hey.
Yeah, start filming. Get it quick. Where she thought she was going.
Where's the other one? You got her? Where'd she go? Oh, shit. Drop the
The other one walked past smooth.
Drop the bag. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Right now you're being detained. If you have anything on you, you can call for sticking. You have an ID in your purse? You said no? Alright, stand still for a second. Okay, we're gonna sit in this car. We're going on this side.
What's your name? Where's your car?
That's their car.
Where's the car?
It's down there.
What kind of car is it?
Oh, it's a black car. I don't know.
It's a black car?
Yeah, I just got in.
SUV? You just got in it?
Yeah, I just got in. I just got picked up.
You don't know these guys?
Yeah, I know them.
Okay.
They're my cousin. I just got.
Oh, they're cousins, so you know what they drive.
It's the car down.
What car? There's 90 cars. Which one?
You want me to show it to you?
Just point it out.
It's that black car right there.
Which one? The one that in the handicap spot?
Yeah, body handicap.
Huh?
Body handicap.
Is it a Kia?
No, it's not a Kia.
Or is it an SUV behind it?
It's like, I don't know. It's over there.
I believe so. 214, you have yours? CI1, she's pointing out a black car by the handicap on the left by PetSmart, either the SUV or the Kia as their vehicle.
No, I don't want to judge for that.
Yep.
For what?
Retail theft.
What I stole them?
David, Adam, Victor, Ida, Sam. First name is Tamisha. Tom, Adam, Mike, Edward, Sam, Henry, Adam. Middle D for Denise, 21192. Well, probably the purse for one.
Huh?
Probably the purse for one.
I walked in there with that
You
purse.
didn't bring that in.
Yes, I did. You can watch the cameras. I walked in there with that purse.
Well, you got nothing in it. No ID.
Okay.
Why?
I walked in there.
Why did you bring a purse in there?
That's my purse.
Why did you bring a purse? It's empty.
It's nothing in that purse.
I know. Why'd you bring a purse in?
Because I could bring a purse in.
Because you're stealing stuff with
I
it.
ain't never put nothing in the purse.
That's okay. You're all together. You're all
okay,
together.
they ain't even get nothing. So what's the problem?
Oh, really?
No.
We're sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I seen them when they walked out. They ain't never got nothing.
That's okay. Don't worry. I guess you don't know the law too much. Once you start hiding stuff throughout the store, it's called stealing. And it's all on camera, so it's good. What? Hey, you didn't touch anything in the store? Nothing? Find that hard to believe.
They got the other one down back. Yeah. You fucking grab my body cam and run away like that shit again, I'll fucking whoop your ass. Dude, you understand me? Where'd her fucking bag go? I didn't want it to get lost. It's with the other officer.
Wait, what? What happened? What? The cop about to get the loss prevention guy together?
You fucking grab my body cam and run away like that shit again, I'll fucking whoop your ass. Dude, yeah. You fucking
Find that hard to believe.
They got the other one down back. Yeah. You fucking grab my body cam and run away like that shit again, I'll fucking whoop your ass. Dude, you understand me? Where'd her fucking bag go? I didn't want it to get lost. It's with the other officer. I didn't want it to get lost, dude. I'm sorry.
Wait, why he grab your... What the fuck?
Get your fucking over there before I yell at you. Do that shit again to me. For the last time you fucking here.
He grabbed your body cam?
That fucking on the ground. He decided to take it with him.
Why would he do that?
No kidding.
What the fuck?
So it's no surprise why we're out here. Yeah. Listen, it's all on video inside. I'm gonna be straight up with you. I don't like gray. I'm black and white with you.
See, the problem with it is that he picked it up, which a lot of people do. You know, when if a cop is tussling with somebody and then somebody to the side or whatever, a lot of people will pick up the body cam, you know, but they're there, they stay there, and you know, once everything is under control, they give it to them. We've seen that done multiple times. But the problem with this is that he picked it up and then they went to go get the other person, the other girl that was behind. So he left with the body cam. And I think that's why the officer is upset, man. Officer about to get him together. See, I told you, this is my guy right here. This right here, this is my guy. You seen it. He was ready to boom something. He said, oh yeah, what? You pick up my shit again? I'm gonna beat your What? The lady shot theft lady, she tried to run, he boomed her. Bow! Oh, got her together. What? He on 10. He's standing on business all together, all the way around. Everybody can get it. This is equal opportunity here. You know what I'm saying? Equality. Anybody can get it, man. Male, female, suspect, loss prevention, a cashier. Anybody can get it. Yeah.
People, everything you guys were doing inside was on video camera.
But we didn't walk out with nothing.
I know, but you guys were putting all that shit in suitcases and bags, and it's still in the statute it reads you can't temporarily deprive somebody of their property. You guys concealing this shit. They're still temporarily depriving
I didn't
somebody.
conceal nothing. It was in a shopping thing.
Okay.
Shopping bag.
All right.
Mine, I didn't put shit in nowhere.
All right. Which car out here is your guys's?
Huh?
Which car out here is your guys's?
We didn't have a car. We lived here.
Okay, how'd you guys get here?
We lived here.
You like, what do you mean, like an Uber, like a Lyft?
Yeah, Uber.
All right, whose phone did you use to do that?
Mine?
Mine, yours?
Yeah.
All right. Is it more comfortable to stand up or?
No, I'm straight.
No, all right.
I don't feel like they can take me to jail because I didn't steal shit.
Okay.
I'll put it in the shopping thing. I swear to God on my kids.
Okay. Where are you working at?
Huh?
You working somewhere right now?
Yeah, I do hair.
Where do you work at?
I do hair. I don't work.
You do hair?
Yeah.
Man, that's... God, why you get here doing this shit, though? Too young to be doing this stuff, man. 217 copy one. You use your license out of Florida or somewhere else?
It's in Florida.
It's in Florida. I just don't know why you tried to run away, like...
You need me for something?
Nope, you're good.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Okay.
Because I didn't have shit. So, like, why is I getting detained if I didn't walk out the store with nothing?
Yeah, but you let me have a second to discuss it with you, tell you, and you're on your way, right? But now I'm telling you right now, that's probably going to be a charge right there. You just trying to run.
Yeah.
You have an all black one? Which person's yours? All black with like
all
gold?
Black. No. All black. It was a purse on the floor.
Temple, like an all black one, right? Well, who was that, your cousin or your friend?
That was my cousin.
Did she have a purse with her too or no?
No, I don't think.
No, all right. So we're gonna go around to the other side, the passenger side? All right. Come on, let's not get wet, come on! You don't want to spend the whole day in wet clothes, this one here. I don't want to spend the whole day in wet clothes either.
Yeah, it's wet outside. We're not doing no pat downs, no nothing. It's over with, man. It's raining.
Leave it open. Booker's gonna stand there and watch.
All right.
Just in case they acted fully, you can get in the car.
Yeah, we're gonna go have a good talk with Matthew. My body cam fell off, and he decided to take it when fucking running after the other person with my body cam in her bag.
it's the whole friggin' group of them. So
Yeah. So we haven't found the car yet? Because the girl that she pointed out was the black car, but you said it was a...
It was an older white female that came. I watched her get out and go into...
Yeah, Petco.
And then PetSmart, she came back out and got in there.
Okay.
So the girl that I took, Devaja, she's saying that they came here in a lift. And I'm like, whose phone did you order the lift on? Well, mine. I'm like, okay, well, maybe you want to pull up your phone and see.
yeah, we're taking all their phones now.
Yeah, so I have her phone.
I took her phone because she was starting to text. This kid, KD, with champagne.
That's all right.
That's her phone.
All right. So yeah,
Who's he giving you a total?
yeah. I told him that we need to get pictures and stuff before we start tolling, so if we have somebody.
Yeah, I can handle that. I can.
And then
It's mine.
No, I can do it. But you're gonna take you and Booker go to District 2 with them.
Okay.
So Baltimore can do his interviews if they wanna.
Where do you...
She's just like take me to jail and mine when I put it on. And she's a VOP.
There's three. How do you want us to split them up?
well, one wants to go to jail anyways. She's not wanting to talk at all.
She goes.
She asked for a lawyer.
No, she's like if because when she just put me in and you're gonna take me to jail, just put me in handcuffs and put me in the car and let's go. So, John, she didn't ask for a lawyer.
All right. Well, that's good.
Yeah. No. But her, when you take her, it's on. She's a VOP also. She just went on probation 2 days and she doesn't know how long she's on probation for.
She doesn't know?
No. And she knows the law. She says she didn't steal anything and she didn't go past 12 points of sale.
Actually, she did.
I don't know what
Did she have a purse out there too? The brown one that was brand new?
Yeah, she said she brought that in and it's on camera, you can see. So she stole it from someplace else. But it's empty.
All right.
So, and I told her,
They
I
all
said,
work. So I was talking to him. He said they all work together, brought all the stuff to one spot, put it in the bags, and then walked out. Not all of them made it all the way out. It doesn't matter. One of them made it out, and then turned around and saw law enforcement.
yeah, who'd she say? You? She must just,
I never saw anyone come out from my side. I had a pretty good open view. I was parked behind a truck.
yeah, and I was down that way. So if I came out those doors, I don't know who they seen.
I don't know because I was freaking hauling ass as soon as you said.
See, what do they call these two stripes? I forget what these are called. We didn't have these in corrections, the two stripes. But I forget what cops call these. But yeah, this one, he 3 stripes, this Sarge right here. So, but this guy, the one with the 2 stripes, and the actual guy with the body cam that we watching, they on the same type of timing, boy. They ready to go. You can see the whole demeanor. You can just see it. It's like, Sarge on the other hand, he a little bit laid back, he a little, but these two, they say, yeah, we about to go have a talk with Matthew right now. Oh, he said, oh, what? Oh, yeah, they was about to, but then they ran into Sarge. So now Sarge is blocking them. They was what? Oh, yeah, we about to have a go talking to with Matthew. Boy, yeah, he decided to take my camera and go running off. Like, oh, what?
Yeah.
You had one in custody. I started sped up.
Yeah.
So,
Well, because she started running.
yeah.
Both girls that I had both started running.
Yeah,
They
well-
both split up. I grabbed one, threw her down, and then the other one took off. I couldn't catch her.
So we have one that's still.
No, we got all 3.
Oh, we got all.
Yeah, but two booked it though.
Booker got the other one.
Booker got that one. This one ran towards me. I got her. And Booker went around the building and got her on the back side of the
Okay,
building.
all right.
So, no, we got everybody.
All right.
I'm trying to figure out what car they're in. And she says it's her cousin's car. David says it's her cousin's car.
Are they looking up camera to see what they came in?
Yeah, they're gonna. Well, right now they got the merchandise, so they need to
So,
photograph it.
Go ahead and you take
The 2 that are willing to talk?
take all 3 of them to District 2.
Okay.
Separate them, put 2 in an interview room, each interview room, and one can sit by the roll call desk or put her in a freaking corner. I
You know what? You can put her in the. Make sure there's nothing in the corporal CIU office.
Yeah,
Put her in
it's an
that.
empty room. Okay.
Yeah, you put her in there.
Yeah, just make sure there's nothing on the desk that she can use.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Kyle's been in there, so I don't know what he's put in there.
That's right. I don't know if he put his stuff in there.
Yeah, I don't know.
All 3 individuals were taken into custody and faced significant charges for the coordinated theft. Devaja Ford was charged with third-degree felony grand theft and resisting an officer without violence. Tamisha Davis was also charged with grand theft and was held without bond due to being on felony probation at the time. Finally, Dontavius Thomas was charged with grand theft and possession of an anti-theft device removal tool. With over $5,700 in merchandise recovered, the group's plans were completely dismantled.
Sarge saved Matthew, man. Sarge saved him. I ain't gonna lie. This guy right here, man. In the back. This guy right here. This him? Because he's holding the camera in his hand. You can see
$100 in merchandise recovered.
Look. He taking video with his phone. He taking video with his phone. With the body cam, like, oh yeah, boy, yo, Matthew lucky they ran into Sarge, man. They was about to what? Oh yeah, that was like perfect timing. It was like that had to be like the man above, like, yeah, okay, hold on, let me put him right here so we could diffuse the situation. Oh yeah, so all right, let's, and now they got distracted. Yo, take this one here. Let's do this. Yada yada. Woody woo. Da da da. See, they about to do it to Matt, boy. They about what? Oh yeah. You want to take my shit? Now that's the body cam footage that I want to see. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. That shit crazy. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.